everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious lamb meatball pasta. Meatball pasta, and these meatballs are made with ground lamb. And today I'm going to show you how to make it delicious lamb pasta. And let's get started. The ingredients we need: the lamb meatball. These are homemade lamb meatball, and how do I make it? I have a video posted on my channel, so please check it out. Pasta is called garofalo, and we're going to boil it. It will take 11 minutes. 1 onion, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, and 1 green serrano chili. And we're going to use marinara sauce. And let's start making our delicious lamb pasta. Pot with the water. Bring the water to boil. Once the water started to boil, then we're going to add pasta. As the water started to boil, add pasta. Stir it. It will take 11 minutes to get tender. Cover it. As the water started to boil, add half teaspoon salt. Mix it. It will take 7 more minutes to get tender. Now we're going to start another burner. Get a karahi or fry pan, add olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. As oil starts to heat up, we're going to add garlic. Mix it. Now we're going to add ginger also. Cook them like 20 seconds until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Now add onion. Keep mixing and keep cooking. We're going to make sure that onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Now we're going to add green chili. Mix it. Keep it moving and keep cooking. If we check the pasta, it still needs to get tender. And on this side, the tadka is all done. And now we're going to add the meatball. Mix it. After adding the meatball, now we're going to add salt. Mix it. In the same can, we're going to add a little bit of water. Mix it. And put that inside. Mix it. Now bring your gas on low. And on the other side, the pasta is all ready. And we're going to drain the water, and then we're going to bring the pasta. After draining the water, we're going to add pasta. And now we're going to mix it well. Keep your gas on low and keep mixing. Once it's nicely combined, on a low gas, cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. With the cover lid cooking for 3 minutes, I'm going to open it, turn off the gas, and our dish is all ready. Lamb meatball pasta is all ready. Let me share with you. So you've seen it. It's very easy to make it and very simple. And it's a delicious pasta recipe. Lamb meatball pasta. Like always, if you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.